How to fix packet loss on Xbox. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how you can fix Xbox packet loss, and let's dive in. So first you have to open your settings and then go to devices and connections and then choose Blu-ray and then choose persistent storage and clear the persistent storage. Now go to general and then network settings and then advanced settings, and now choose QoS tagging settings and then WMM tagging and DSCP tagging checkbox, and then you have to restart. I'm not going to restart because I'm recording. Now go to alternate MAC address on your advanced settings and clear it, and now restart. I'm not going to restart, but this is going to fix your problem. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.